Hello, teacher.
Hi, Kwan. Good evening. Can you hear, teacher?
Yes.
Okay. How are you today? How are you today,
Uh,
Kwan?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay. And what did you do today, Kwan?
Uh, I go to school, eat, drink, uh, play,
Eat,
money.
drink, play. Okay. All right. Okay. So, Kwan, so you did a normal class or a normal routine that today, right? It's normal. That's what you always do, right, Kwan?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So, Kwan, today we are going to have a new activity, new lesson. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, so here we go, Kwan Kwan. Here is your first, no, this is your new lesson for this evening, okay? So let me share to you the screen, Kwan, so we can start immediately with the lesson that we are going to do today. So what unit are we now, Min Kwan?
Uh, yeah, unit six, visit,
Okay.
visit to school.
Okay, so we have here a visit to a school. Very good. All right, so Kwan, we have here the following activities. Okay, let's do warm up. I have here some questions for you, Kwan. Kwan, what did you see when you first came to your school? During your first day in school, Kwan, what did you see?
Uh, I saw classroom.
Hmm?
Uh, pencil, blackboard, whiteboard.
Mm-hmm.
Table, chair, glass,
Yeah.
there are many more.
Okay, and many more. All right, so those are the things that you see in your class. Now here, how did you feel, Kwan, on your first day?
Uh, feel,
Yeah, what did you feel?
uh, I feel happy.
Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, you feel
Uh,
happy. Now here, have you ever had a visit to Chuvan and Lower Secondary School? Or okay, Kwan, what is the famous school in your place?
famous what?
Yeah. How about
Famous
what's
what?
famous school in your place?
Famous school.
Yeah.
Uh, ừ. Nguyễn Huệ School.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, what's the famous school in your place?
Nguyễn Huệ School. Money what? But,
Okay. All right. What is it? Did you like it?
yes.
Yes, you do. Okay. All right, here, Kwan, let's do getting started. So here, look at the picture, Min Kwan. What is the girl doing in the picture? Can you tell me?
Wait.
Okay.
Uh, hmm. uh, I don't know. I don't know how to say it.
Ah, you don't know. Look at here. Okay, so here, this girl in the big picture is fixing things. But how about in the small picture? How about in the small picture? Where are they going?
Uh, yeah, go to school.
Okay, going to school. And what do you think they are talking about, Juan?
School.
They are talking about school?
School.
Okay. All right, here. Let's do vocabulary. What is the first word, Juan?
Hmm. Uh, mm, how to read? How to read?
Okay, listen.
Lower secondary school.
Again.
Okay. Lower secondary school.
Okay, we have here the lower secondary school. Next. Next word we have
We have member.
member. Next we have here is the
Remind.
okay, we have the word remind. Next, another another word.
Computer room.
Computer room. Next,
School library.
school library. Correct. Next,
School garden.
school garden. Okay, do you understand these words? Do you understand these words, Juan?
Okay, I know.
Okay, very good. Another word. What is this?
Okay. Playground.
Playground. Correct. This one.
Gym.
Okay, gym. Very good. Okay, Juan, listen to this, okay? Just listen. Here we go.
Track 38, Unit 6. A visit to a school.
Page 60. Getting started.
A visit to Bengmeng Lower Secondary School. Activity 1. Listen and read.
What are you doing, Me?
I'm preparing to visit Bin Min Lower Secondary School.
Sounds great. I think that's one of the best schools in my neighborhood. Who is going with you and when?
My teacher and my classmates. We're going in the afternoon.
I see. What will you do there?
Well, I think we'll visit the school library, the computer room and the gym. We'll meet the students and share ideas for a project in our English class.
That's interesting. What else will you do there?
We'll meet the members of their Go Green Club and take photos of the school.
Fantastic. So don't forget to take your camera.
I almost forgot. Thanks for reminding me.
Okay,
Okay.
Juan, let's do now. You understand what you hear?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now here, let's do this one. Juan, read the conversation again and write the questions by answer the question by encircling letter A, B, or C. Are you ready to check now or you want to read one more time?
Again.
Okay, again.
What sentence? What question we have? 5
Okay.
or 3?
There are 5 questions, Juan. 5.
Okay.
Okay, Juan, you read again. And tell me if you're done, okay?
Okay. Wait. Okay, go question.
Okay, go now. Very welcome. Okay, Juan, you read question number 1 and tell me your answer.
What they are talking about? They are talking about school library.
Okay, school library. Let me encircle your answer. Next, number 2.
C.
2. Okay. Okay, let's check.
Wait.
Okay, what is it?
Please go read again.
Okay, read again. Very welcome. Let me move again. Okay, Juan, go.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Kwan, look at your answers.
Okay, okay, done.
Okay, is this your final answer now? Okay, let's check.
Okay.
Number 1, what are they talking about? The answer here is, oh, they are talking about a visit to a school. Next, number 2, who is going to visit the school? It's, oh, look at here, Kwan, oh. I'm preparing to visit Binmin Lower Secondary School. That's the answer. Next, number 2, who is going to visit the school? The answer here is very good. Letter C. It's me.
Okay.
Okay. Correct one. Next one. Let's move to the next one. All right. So, okay. Here, Kwan. Number 3. Where is the school?
Uh, for us, first in B, for
Okay.
B.
4B.
Please go again.
Again? You want to listen again? You want to read again? Number
Yeah,
3?
yes.
Okay, for a while. Okay, Kwan.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Kwan, what's your answer number 3?
Uh, wait. Uh, in a
Neighborhood.
neighborhood.
Okay, ready to check now? Ready to check one?
Wait, but have question 5.
Okay, let's check first 3 and 4, okay? All right, number 3, where is the school? The school is located at, very good, in Fong's neighborhood, correct? Number 4, where are they going? It's, when are they going? In the afternoon. Correct one. Look at that. Correct. Okay, next. Oh, no more 5. Okay, sorry. Here, Kwan, let's try to complete the given sentences using the words here on the screen, okay?
3 is computer room.
Okay. This is number 3. Next.
Uh, One is playground.
Okay.
A 5 is school garden.
Okay. Next.
4 is school library, and 2 is gym.
Okay. Kwan, I want you to read sentence 1 to 5 together with your answer to review. After reading that, we will check your answer. Okay?
Oh, wait.
Come on.
Computer room is 2 and gym is 3.
Oh, wait. Computer room is 2. Gym is 3. Okay, there. Look at there. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Kwan, please read
It's
Kwan.
done. It's done.
Okay, Kwan, please read Kwan entire sentence 1 to 5 to review. Go.
Okay. The school playground is very small, so not many children can play in it. We learn how to use internet in the computer room twice a week. They have school meetings in the gym when it rains. There are a lot of books, magazines, and newspaper in the school library. Our class usually water in the vegetable in the school garden on Friday afternoon.
Okay, Kwan, let's check now your answer. Ready now? No change now?
Okay.
Okay, number 1. The school blank is very small. Not all people or not all children, not many children can play in it. The answer is playground. Number 2, we learn how to use the internet in the computer room twice a week. Perfect. Next, number 3, they have school meetings in the gym when it rains. Correct. Next, there are a lot of books, magazines, and newspapers in the school library. Very good, Kwan. Next, number 5. Our class usually waters the vegetables in the school garden. Perfect.
Okay.
Great work, Kwan. Easy? Is it easy,
Yeah.
Kwan? Yeah. You got perfect. Wow. So good. Okay. So here we go, Kwan.
Okay.
Let's do a closer look. Okay, let's have the vocabulary words. First, Kwan, what's the first word?
Facility.
Okay, facility. Next. What is that?
Exchange exam.
Entrance exam, correct? And
Midterm test.
midterm. Okay.
Midterm.
Yeah, understand those words? Okay, next one.
Outdoor.
Outdoor and
Rift.
gifted. Again, gifted. One, gifted.
Gifted.
Yeah, gifted. One means so intelligent, so bright. Okay. Next, here, Kwan. Match
Okay.
the words with columns A to B to form phrases. Go, Kwan.
Midterm is examination. Midterm test. Midterm test. Outdoor activity. School examination. Exchange student. And gift facilities.
Again, entrance.
Student.
Wait. Entrance student?
Maybe.
Okay, try to think one.
5 is A and 1 is C. Change.
Okay. 5 is A. 1 is letter C. Entrance facilities. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, look at here. Number 1, Kwan, entrance examination. School facilities, wrong. Very good. School activities. Midterm test is correct. Gifted student. So, Kwan, you got 2 mistakes. Okay, careful with the 2 mistakes,
Okay.
Kwan. Okay, other than that, you did correctly. Okay, next, we have this one. Okay, Kwan, complete the sentence with phrases in example 1. Kwan, the answer of this are these words. Entrance examination, school facilities, outdoor activities, midterm test, gifted students. Okay? That would be the answers in here.
Okay.
Okay.
Our school. Two
Our
is school.
School what?
School.
Only school?
Wait. School. Our midterm test. Midterm test.
Okay, our midterm test. Next.
Okay, wait me.
Okay, take your time, Kwan.
Uh, um. Wait, please go to
So the
X1. X1.
okay, exercise 1.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Go X2. Go X2.
Example 2. Okay, Kwan.
Our school have a lot of more than wait. Okay, okay. Uh,
What is it?
5 extra examining.
Okay. Examine. Is it only examination? It's let me check one. It's entrance examination. Okay, wait. I'm gonna write. Entrance examination. Next.
Uh, uh,
What is it, Kwan Kwan?
uh,
Hard?
no. Please go X1.
Okay, look at number 1.
Okay,
Okay, I'll move now.
okay.
Okay.
Uh, one is wait. 3 is student gift. One is school. School what? I forgot.
Okay,
I forgot.
number 3, students in the school take part in many.
Many. Wait.
When you want me to go back?
Um. Well.
I'll write.
Yes, 3 is gift student.
Okay, 3 is gifted students. Wait, let me check the other one. The next 2. School facilities, outdoor activities. Okay. Here, Kwan.
Uh,
Okay, Kwan. There you go. Those are the choices.
Bingming Lower Secondary School is school facilities, and our school has a lot more than outdoor activity.
This one is outdoor activities.
Yes.
And then number 1 is
Number 1 is school facilities.
sure.
School facility.
Okay, Kwan, are you sure with your answers? Oh, try to review, Kwan. I'll give you time to review.
Yes.
Okay, go. Tell me if you're done reviewing.
Yeah, I done.
Sure?
Yes, yes.
Okay, number 1. Binmin Lower Secondary School is for school facilities in the city. The answer is gifted students. Okay, 2, our midterm test, correct? Students in my school take part in many outdoor activities. Our school has a lot of modern school facilities. And in order to study in Kwok Kwok Kyo, you have to pass an entrance examination. Look at there, Min Kwan. You got 3 correct answers out of 5. Okay, not so bad.
No.
Okay, careful, careful. I ask you to review. Okay, so here, Kwan, here. Can you name some gifted students? Kwan, is there a gifted student in your school? Like a student that is so intelligent? Is there like that in your school? Kwan?
Uh, hmm. uh, um, gift.
Yeah, gifted, so intelligent. Is there a person or is there a student that is so intelligent in your school?
I give my school give.
Yeah, it has
Gift
like so
for
intelligent.
children in.
Yeah, there is
But
like that.
I only
What, Kwan?
give student for what?
In your school, Kwan, in your school, Kwan, is there a gifted student? Like very intelligent student in your school or no?
My school give it
Gifted.
money.
No, gifted. Not gifted like giving money. Gifted means so intelligent, knowledgeable student, bright student. Is there like that
Um,
or no?
wait. Give
Yeah,
the student.
very smart student. Is there a very smart student in your school?
Wait, I need understand
Oh,
what is it is student.
gifted means smart, so smart.
Okay.
Yeah, is there
Uh,
like that?
uh, in my class, okay.
Yeah, is there like that or no?
Name of name.
Yeah, is there like that?
Me, yes, me.
You,
Haven't.
Ivan,
Not me. Me.
so
Me.
many.
Yeah, so many. Me,
Oh,
Nguyễn Hưng.
okay.
Ivan. Maybe.
Okay, good. Now here, what does the first term takes place? Okay, when does your first exam in your school, Kwan, when was that? Is it on September? Is it in October? When was your first exam?
Wait, what?
Before this year, Kwan. When was the first test you had in your school? When was that?
My score?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
You don't remember? Okay. Next.
Okay.
Here, Kwan, do you take an entrance exam to study in your school? Like, Kwan, example, I want to study in your school. Do I have to do the test so I can study there or no? So I can study.
Study what?
In your school, Kwan, if I want to study in your school, like teacher wants to have classmate you, okay? Study in your school. Do I have to take the test? If I pass the test, I can study in your school. If I didn't pass the test, I cannot study. Is there like that? Or no?
I think. Wait.
Okay. Is there exam entrance test or no?
Yes, I have, but
Ah.
I don't remember what is this called.
Oh, you don't remember what is it called? How about what kind of facilities do you have in school? Do you have a very big school, very big gym, very big computer lab? Do you have a
Very big
library?
computer room,
Oh, what else? What are the facilities that you have in your
and
school?
have a garden, a school
Oh,
garden.
next, what else?
Um. Uh, Maybe and have a wait school playground, but
What?
yeah.
Okay, is that all? Are those the things that you have in the school? What else?
Classroom and money else. I maybe I can't forget.
Is your classroom have air cons?
Yes,
Oh, all classrooms have air cons?
on, yeah.
Oh, wow, not hot. Okay, it's not hot. Now here, Juan, what
Yeah, my
type,
school.
yeah, Juan, what type of outdoor activities do you like to be part in? What school activities you want to join in your school?
What?
Okay, what outdoor activities do you like to join in your school? Like, do you want to play basketball, volleyball, football?
I like football.
Oh, you like football? Did you,
Yes.
okay, did you join already the football or no?
Yeah.
Wow. So are you part of the football team? One?
Yes, now I in
Oh,
it.
you're in it. Wow. You're good, because you are part of it. Okay. So, all right. So, Kwan, we will end there because it's already time. So, Kwan, it was nice talking to you. Okay. That's good. So, you just have to be
Okay.
careful, Kwan. So, you have to review before we will check. Okay. 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 So, Kwan, that would be all for today. Goodbye for now,
Okay, alright,
Kwan.
teacher. Bye.
Bye-bye. See you again next time, Kwan. Have a great day ahead,
Okay.
Kwan.
Okay, teacher. Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
99%